Hello everyone, welcome back to this tutorial. I am Sabaa Hassan. I am a brand ambassador of G45 and today I am here with an amazing set of cards for you all, which you must have seen at the starting of the video. So for today's card, it is going to be under our G45 Level Up series, where we are going to pick up any of the card kit or an album kit, and then we follow the instructions and we start preparing our product with adding our creativity to it. So with the same concept, let's start our today's work. So I'm using here 2023 volume 6 Make a Splash card kit. This kit will include envelopes and the card base, Make a Splash pattern paper, and Make a Splash ephemeras. So let's give it a twist, and in spite of using this, I'll add a different pattern paper here and we'll create something with that. So I'll be using the recent release of G45. So let's start with that. So for today's tutorial, I'm going to use Life is Abundant pattern paper from G45. This is the recent release and I was so eager to use this pattern paper and finally I got the chance. Using the same instructions and this pattern paper, I've already created this gorgeous card. See how gorgeous it is looking. So this I made using the same instructions beforehand, and I will make the other card along with you. So let's start the process. For this, I'm taking the card base and I will fold it into half. Now I'll cut out this pattern paper from this paper collection. This measures 4 1/8 by 5 3/8 of an inch. I'll paste it here. Now I'm going to use this Inkpad, and along with this I wanted to create a pattern something like this. So this is the inking technique which has been shown here in the manual. So I took a piece of a scrap paper which is of the same size of this card. Now I'll simply make any design. So I am preparing something in oval. I'll simply draw oval, which should not be very perfect. And following this, I'll just stir it. Make it as random as possible. Here it is. So this is going to be my front side. I did the inking here, but here in this card I am planning to do the inking technique here. So I will fold it in half and will keep this oval cut out here. Will press it lightly with my fingers and will start inking it in a circular motion. And this is how it looks now. Now I'll take the circle and make it little smaller. We'll keep it here and again we'll start the inking process. I wanted to have the edges darker. And this is how we got a beautiful pattern. Now we'll start working on the front first and then we'll do the work at the inside part. I used one of this pattern paper from the collection and I cut out this flower. I did fussy cut out and I just cut this out. I've also take out the stamps. I cut out this rectangle design. And also I've used all these leftover laces and these sort of laces, the paper laces, which I usually love to decorate my cards, as I've done here or here. Now I'll attach this design with the help of double-sided foam tape to give it a dimension to my card. This flower and I will add it with 2 layers of double-sided tape so that it will come little on top and it will give the dimension to my entire card front. Okay, I will add few more lace and some stamps here. Now it's fully your creativity how you want to decorate your card. I am also planning to add this paper laces which I cut out from one of the pattern paper. So I will add it here on the top and the bottom like this. I'll simply use my glue and will paste it. Now my front is ready. Now let's start working at the inside part. So first of all, I'll cover this area with the pattern paper. And here add the pattern paper here. Now I took a strip which measures 1 inch in width and the length is 5/3/8 of an inch. I'll take my manual and as the page 2 number 5 says that I have to score at 5/8, 4 1/8 and 4 3/4 of an inch. So I will just start scoring this piece of a paper. 5/8, 4 1/8 and 4 3/8. Once it will done, I will just fold this scored lines and here our pop-up is ready. The base for the pop-up is ready. Now I will apply the glue on this folded part and I will paste it here at the center like this. And now I will apply the glue only on the first folded area or the first scored line area. We'll keep it here like this and we'll paste it like this. Now it's time to decorate this. So simply I am going to use some of my pattern paper designs and I will start adding it according to my choice. I am planning to add this design here. Make sure that you are not putting anything on the scored line because then it will be difficult to close the card. Because here I have added the sunflower, so I would like to add something floral here at the center. So I will just I'll do the fussy cutout of this flowers and I will add it here at the center. Now simply adding your creativity, you can add more laces or any other paper design from the pattern paper and you can enhance the look of your card. And this is how my card looks now. I've added some lace here, some fussy cutouts here at the corner to add the detailings, and this is how the inside part looks. I cut out this fly and added here like this. I applied glue only on its body and that's it. I've also created the coordinating envelopes for this, like it is more in a blue, so I've added this blue message here, and again it was more in a red, so I have given it the red distress edges along with this red note. So this is how my 2 cards are ready. I hope you like this process. Do create it and share it with us. Till then, bye.